we are going to discuss the very important part of mathematics where the students always feel the problems, that is the system of real numbers. First of all, I will discuss the integers by using the number line. This is a number line and I will take the fixed point that is to be denoted by 0. In the right side, I will take the positive numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. In the left side, I will take the negative numbers -1, -2 or -3. Integers. Very simple definition I will generate from the number line. Collection of negative numbers and positive numbers including 0. Negative numbers, positive numbers including 0 are called integers. These are the integers. That is the definition of integers. Now I will tell you the definition of whole numbers. Whole numbers means all the numbers of the right side of the 0 including 0 are known as the whole numbers. Whole numbers is started from 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are the whole numbers. Whole numbers always start from the 0. Or you can say that the positive numbers including 0 are called the whole numbers. After that, natural numbers. Natural number, all the positive numbers in the right side of the 0. That is started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are known as the natural numbers. You see how much it is very simple. That is now rational numbers. All the numbers you divide by 2. Suppose I am taking the example. Suppose I am going to divide all the numbers by 2. -3 divided by 2, -2 divided by 2, -1 divided by 2, 0 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2 and so on. All these numbers are rational numbers. That I have taken the example, I divided by 2. Because you will get here the integers or whatever it may be. The natural numbers, whole numbers, everything will be here. Each and every integer that will be the rational number. Because all the numbers you can divide by 1, it will change into the form of P upon Q. That is why the form P upon Q is a rational number. But condition is there, Q does not equal to 0. P should be integer, Q should be integer, Q does not equal to 0. These are the rational numbers. Not only by 2 you can divide by 3, 4, 5, that depends upon you. You will get the rational numbers, but that form should be P upon Q. Now let me take the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers means all the numbers like √2, √3, √5 and pi and so on. These are the irrational numbers. Now then come to the real number. What do you mean by the real number? Sum of rational and irrational numbers, these are known as the real numbers. Sum of rational, I have given over here. Rational numbers plus irrational numbers. दोनों का sum कर लीजिए, that you will get the real numbers. Now one more kind of number. That is, that I am going to write over here in place of this one. That is sixth kind of, that is fractional numbers. Very, very important. Fractional numbers. Fractional numbers, the numbers which are in the form of P upon Q. But you must have to keep in mind, P and Q should be the positive numbers. All the numbers of right side, positive numbers. P and Q should be the positive numbers. Suppose, let me take the example of fraction. I am going to take an apple. Apple you divide by a line into 2 parts. Each part will be equal to half of it. That is why 1 upon 2, 1 is the natural number, 2 is also the natural number. Suppose I am taking the second example. You divide this apple into 4 parts. Each part will be equal to 1 by 4 because you have divided by 4. You have taken the 4 parts. Each and every part will be equal to 1 by 4. Okay? 1 you have divided by 4. Why? Because we have divided the whole figure into 4 parts. Very simply, I have explained the system of real numbers. My dear student, I have taken the teacher's aid. You see, I have represented all the numbers over here. You see, first of all, I will start it from natural numbers. Natural number, these are the natural numbers. All the positive numbers you divide by all the natural numbers taken by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive numbers. Then whole numbers. Whole number is started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Positive number, in the positive number you include 0. Whole numbers you will get. Integers, collection of negative and positive numbers I already told you. Including 0. All are positive numbers. Rational number, I have told you that you divide all the integers by 2, 3, 4, 5. You will have to get the rational number. But thing is that rational number should be in the form of P upon Q. P and Q should be integer. But Q, denominator should not be equal to 0. Why it is so? If the denominator will be equal to 0, then you will add the non-defined number. You cannot define that number. Okay? And then whole number means in the positive numbers you include 0. That will be the whole number. Similarly, you got the, I told you, rational number as well as irrational number. Very simply, I have explained all types of number. I think you understand. These numbers, these are very important. Everywhere we use, in each and every class, these numbers. Okay, thank you to all of you.